Like many young people these days, Cody and Taylor first met on social media, Instagram in fact. But the first time they met in person was on their first date, and it seems they were meant to be from the very beginning. Cody saw Taylor on campus one day, and he thought she was the most beautiful girl he had ever seen. So like many young men would these days, he went and found her on Instagram, and their journey together began. Now Cody, I've only known him for a relatively short period of time, but Cody is truly a kind and caring young man, always positive and full of life and support for Taylor. He will be an amazing partner and support. I could not be happier that Taylor chose you to be her husband. I've known Taylor her entire life, of course. If anyone truly knows her, they know she has a mind of her own. And that was clear before she was even born. Taylor decided when she was ready to be born, ready when she wanted to start her journey in life. And so she came a little earlier than expected. I'm so very proud of you, Taylor, and the strong young woman you've become.
So beautiful. Don't make me cry.
His best friend. Every time he thinks of a major life event in the future, she is right next to him in that vision. He has been in love with her from the beginning and knew he was going to marry her as soon as their first date. By the authority vested in me by the great state of California, I now pronounce you married. Cody, you may now kiss your bride.
I know I have to lay in the bed I made. I know I let you down, and that was.
One thing to know about Taylor is she is an amazing friend. She has the ability to make you feel seen, heard, and valued. Throughout our 10 years of friendship, no matter what stage in life we were at, we always knew we could go to each other for anything. I have many favorite memories, but the ones I love most is when we became a family. Cody, the moment I met you, I knew you were a perfect match for Taylor. You are the yin to her yang. Cody and Cody, I wish you a lifetime of love, happiness, and adventure.
Best friend fall in love and live her best life with an amazing man is the best thing to witness. Cody is the perfect puzzle piece that fits Taylor ever so perfectly. You both complement each other so well. Cody, I thank you for making my best friend so happy and loving her the way she deserves. Tay and I being friends also forced our husbands to be friends.
Yeah.
And it's been so fun doing things together, but my favorite is when Tim and Cody go golfing. So that leaves Tay and I to hang out and get in trouble.
The day you came into my daughter's life, I knew the way she looked at you, that she had you. And you had her. And that's all I could ask for. Every time she comes home, I can't get her off the phone. Because she has to text you, where's babe? Where's babe? And it's awesome. I love it. And you have been a wonderful man to my daughter.
You're my best friend. I couldn't imagine doing this with anybody else. Here's the rest of our life, sweetheart.
All I need is